Do you want to turn off autoplay on mobile and you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you 2 ways to do that. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube app, and then at the bottom here tap on U, which is the last icon at the bottom. Then from this place you could scroll all the way down to time watched. Tap on it, scroll down to autoplay on mobile and tablets. Then you turn it off, because if you don't turn it off, when you finish watching a video, another one will play automatically. Turn it off. Now this is the first way to do it. The second way is to click on the X icon up here, then click on the gear icon, go to autoplay. You can see it is on, turn it off. Those are 2 ways to turn off autoplay on mobile on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel.